Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Multiview in OBS Studio. This feature lets you monitor multiple scenes at once, making it much easier to manage your streams or recordings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on File to open the menu, then select Settings from the drop-down list. This will bring up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of OBS, including the Multiview feature we're focusing on today. In the settings window, scroll down through the different sections until you find the Multiview section. Take your time here to locate it among the various options available. Once you've found the Multiview section, you'll see several customization options that control how your Multiview display functions. Below the Multiview heading, you'll notice 3 checkboxes with different options. Go ahead and check the boxes beside Click to switch between scenes, show scene names, and draw safe areas EBUR95. These settings are important because they allow you to quickly switch between scenes with a single click, display the names of each scene for easier identification, and show broadcast safe area guidelines to ensure your content is properly framed. Next, look for the Multiview layout option directly below the checkboxes. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of different layout options. From this list, select your preferred Multiview option based on how you want your scenes arranged on screen. Different layouts work better for different workflows, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your setup. Once you've made your selection, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Now it's time to actually open the Multiview. In the upper left corner again, click on View to open the menu. Hover your mouse over Multiview, which will expand to show available options. For example, you can select your main monitor from the list. This will open the Multiview on your selected display, giving you a live overview of all your scenes simultaneously. If at any point you want to exit the Multiview, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can open Multiview in a separate window. Go back to the upper left, click on View, hover over Multiview, and this time select New Window. This opens the Multiview in its own dedicated window, which you can move and resize as needed. Again, if you want to exit, just press Escape on your keyboard. And that's it. You now have Multiview set up in OBS Studio, giving you complete control over monitoring all your scenes at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.